Mr. Squirrel. Obviously they're all making the most of it before the other storm hits. He's rooting around down behind those sheds, just behind the pot actually. And see Dunnock hopping about down there. There's another squirrel on the box. So we've got starlings and things having a go because Ange filled all this stuff up. But yeah, so this is the kind of calm before the storm, I believe. But yeah, we shall see what happens later. Right, I just thought I'd pull over quickly. Yeah, so this is just coming in actually, this tide. I can feel the car being buffeted already, and it's only just starting. Just come back home from visiting Pag the Drum, and you see that footage of the coast as I was driving down past it. Starting to get a little bit choppy, a little bit bloody. So yeah, I think it's was in now 10 to 2 Greenwich Mean Time and all that malarkey down here on the south coast of England, or south east coast. Yeah, that's it. And near Folkestone and Dover for anybody that's sort of elsewhere in the world and doesn't really know. Yeah, as I say, I think it's due to get a little bit more blowy and certainly raining over the next 24 hours, definitely. But yeah, it's not stopping these little grey critters. I know Ange did fill all the stuff up, including the box that one's sitting on and the thing below it, which is already empty. Which is why this one's after the ones in that particular feeder. Because if it was to try and get the stuff that's in the box down there, one of them would have to probably run for their life. Well, I say their life, it's not really their life. They do like to chase each other about. It's a bit shaky when it zooms in. But yeah, so as I say, it is just starting to pick up. So once again, let's hope these things stay up. Watch this space. Oh, I've just heard a train, so I'll see if I can get a bit of train footage as well. And then you'll have coast, you'll have train, and you'll have me waffling on. Oh, and squirrels. So there we go, 3 in 1 as well. I don't know if you can be able to see them really. But just up behind those trees, if you can see the little specks of white, there's sheep in the field over the other side of the canal. Here we go. We've got Romney Hive and Dymchurch Railway. There's down there at the station. Oh, yeah, there are some people on it as well. Brave souls. And there you go, disappearing down to Hive Station down the end there. Another train. Missed the actual opening bit. There's balloons. There's people. And there's wind. And the smell of bacon cooking, because Angie's actually doing bacon sandwiches. Apologies to those vegetarians, although I'm not eating them myself because I'm already full from the breakfast I had with Ali Pally. I say breakfast, it was actually lunch. But yeah, as I say, the wind's starting to pick up now. But you know, at the end of the day, it's just a bit of wind and a bit of rain, isn't it? What damage it's going to cause, of course, who only knows. Purring. I've recorded your purr, haven't I, mister? You're going to put in an appearance on my video? You are, aren't you? ear tufts. Cat profile. Cat profile. Meow.